So in linuxmint, if you see this can't update Chrome message and Chrome is out of date warning, this is how you update Chrome. So first open terminal and then run the sudo apt update command to update your package list. And then run the command sudo apt install ---- only upgrade google-chrome -stable, and that will update your Chrome browser to the latest version. Also, when you want to upgrade again, if you can't remember the command, just run the history command and you will find the command in the command history.